Rhinoplasty is a surgical procedure that's designed to address both the functional and aesthetic aspects of the nose. Several types of patients, many of which have trouble breathing through their nose, history of nasal trauma that's causing them often lifelong concerns with breathing and functional issues. Other patients have issues with concerns, a misshapen or misshapely nose can cause a aesthetic imbalance of the face, and certainly want some of those issues addressed. And quite frankly, most patients have a combination of both of these items. So when we evaluate patients for rhinoplasty, we look at both of those aspects and try to formulate a reasonable surgical plan. For this procedure, we make a small incision through the base of the nose and then several incisions on the inside of the nose. And once we have access to the framework of the nose, we at that point can address deviated aspects or misshapen aspects using cartilage, graft, and frequent suturing techniques. You can expect to have some minor discomfort for a few days. There will be some packing inside of the nose, and so there will certainly be a fullness feeling and some trouble breathing for a few days. But after 4 to 5 days, when all of that packing comes out and the swelling starts going down, you can expect to be breathing better within a week or two, and you can expect 1 to 2 weeks of swelling with some continued changes over the subsequent months. The procedure has the potential to address a number of issues, starting with a deviated septum or aspects of the nose that are interfering with the ability to breathe, but it also has the ability to address a dorsal hump on the nose, certainly the nasal tip appearance or the shape of the nostrils if needed. The overall goal of the procedure largely depends on the patient's desires, whether their main concern is breathing through the nose or main concern is appearance. Certainly that's how we tailor the procedure. Rhinoplasty is a very common procedure in the United States, and actually the numbers are growing every year for both functional and aesthetic reasons. We do a large amount of them here at Boys Town.